Who is this up here? Let me see here. Trying to see something. Oh, this is super.
Man, that's super.
Is everything still, is it buffering, showing good? What is looking like, Ruler Ramundo? Look out. All right, where the music at? I'm looking.
Spectator side, 7/100ths of a second. 7/100ths of a second.
7/100ths of a second.
A couple little traction losses on the tower side, costing the win. Tracking him down hard. And of course the
I don't know what
hand.
that is.
Spectator side, 0.06 reaction.
I tried to go down to 720 and see what that does. Left lane, the white one won. I just switched over to 720p.
All right, old school hot rod here, Chevy.
Trigger 83, look out, look out.
There you go, 410's got it.
Oh, Metro tripping tonight, y'all. Difference when I switch. For all my people that's on TikTok, y'all can check out my YouTube channel live. Look Out Racing. Look out, look out. Man, this car look like it's leaning a little bit. Left lane for the win, y'all. Left lane. Left lane from the win. One Take Andy just came from TikTok. Appreciate you coming over here. Let me make sure. 720. Brandon Real just came from TikTok too, y'all. Lobo says it's still buffer. Shout out to, I'll probably do a restart. GG Jordan. Okay, I'm finna change it back up, y'all. I'm gonna shout out the sponsors when I get back. Let me change it back up. Raymond said. Yeah, after this race, probably need reset though. Left lane for the win. Left lane for the win.
You put your head on when you get
Okay. I'm finna make it buffer for a second. I'm finna go off and back on. Hold on.
Alright guys.
Got Home Depot. Power Stroke Syndicate. All he's saying is buffering. Fun say it's better now. Appreciate that, Brandon Real. Okay, look good for now. That's good. Watching on TikTok, y'all come check out my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. Y'all can come check it out in HD. Come check it out over here in HD. Why? Yeah, y'all can check it out in HD. On TikTok, y'all come over here to my YouTube channel. Lookout Racing. We betting over here.